In this brief video, we will provide an overview on how Webex Assistant can improve productivity. Okay, Webex, what do you do?
I'm Webex Assistant. I'm here to help you and your team work better together. Say, "Okay, Webex," and then ask me any of these.
So as you can see, Webex Assistant can help us with meetings, calling, personal room, or device control. Okay, Webex, call John.
Which one did you want to call?
Option 1.
Got it. I'm calling John Yost.
As you can see, we have used Webex Assistant to perform hands-free dialing to call John. Okay, Webex, end call. As you can see, Webex Assistant provides many ways to improve productivity. Thank you.